think about was how a guy like me could fight them off. And when you finally submitted to embarrassing capture, out of the corner of my eye I see my children in rapture. One night I got up and told my father there were witches in my room. He gave me a baseball bat and said, "Here's what you do. When you have finally submitted to embarrassing capture, take out that baseball bat and show those witches some pasture." All you guys out there trying to act like Al Green, all you guys out there trying to act like Al Green, you all are weak. Cause when you finally submit to embarrassing capture, all you guys out there, you're gonna wish you were Al Green.